So I have a confession to make, and actually multiple confessions, but let me show you my first confession, and you kind of have to experience it from my point of view. And so the first confession I have is, well, I'm kind of scared of heights. And this is where I'm at right now, really high up. Check that out, goes all the way into the sky. And I've almost always been scared of heights ever since I was a kid. And it's okay if it's like a building or something, but it still kind of freaks me out. I can't stand here too long. But check this out. Look at that. God, just crazy. And if I could, I would not want to get a high space like this because it's absolutely terrifying. So that's the first confession. And then the second one is what I'm doing right now. And so the second thing that I'm actually scared of is this right here, where I'm actually creating a video. And you might think, why would you be scared of that? You've made more than 1,000 plus videos. You've been here on YouTube and other platforms for more than 10 years. Well, the simple thing is, if you actually look at my older videos, whenever I started this channel, I think the very first video I uploaded was back in 2013. So that's 11 years ago at the time of this video. And for 30 plus videos, I never showed my face. And the reason why is, I think a lot of reasons why people don't do this type of stuff, because whenever you do this, you actually expose yourself, you put yourself out there, and with that, a lot comes with it. You know, I was very afraid of what people would think, what people would say, my family, my friends, my own personal feelings, and all these people around the world. And I was hoping like I wouldn't get too nervous where I couldn't create a video. And it took me like 30 plus videos and about 2 years later before I actually showed my face. And to this day, I still have those feelings, very similar to what I have with being scared of heights. I know I'm scared of it. It causes me to be nervous, and similar to doing these videos that I've been doing for a while now. And with all of that being said, why do I continue doing it? Well, I think for a lot of people out there, whenever we're afraid of something, fearful, anxious, nervous, that typically will keep us from doing something. And for me, I kind of have to do it, because if I don't, well, I'll never do it. I'll never take that chance, and I'll be a scaredy cat for the rest of my life. And even though my fears and anxiety and everything else doesn't go away with this, it does get me that much closer. So every single day that I'm creating this video, every single day that I'm looking down from high on up, I get a sense of fear, but I also get a sense of satisfaction, some level of success, and also growth. Meaning that I was able to overcome just a little bit of that fear every single day and the unknown. And that's kind of like what I think most people would try to do, is just take those little baby steps for all the things that they fear and they are uncertain of. And so that's really why I wanted to make this video, because if you're somebody who wants to be a creator or just doing something in your life, then take those little steps. And I know it's not going to be easy, and I know you're going to be scared just like me, but I'm more afraid and scared of not having done those things, and then at the end of my life just having a lot of regrets. And there's still many other things that I haven't even taken the first step, because I am still fearful and scared, but I'm going to take that little step moving forward, and hopefully you can do the same. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire creator journey, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.